Let us solve these dividing fractions. If you think this is difficult, watch this video and I'm going to explain this in the simplest way possible. Para lalong mas maintindihan, bago tayo mag-umpisa, let's identify all these numbers. Pag nandito ngayon tayo sa division. Pag division, ito yung dinidivide natin, ito yung tinatawag na dividend. Tapos yung nagdi-divide niyan, yan yung divisor. At ang answer niyan, yan yung quotient. Kung ano man ang sobra, yan yung tinatawag na remainder. Bago natin maintindihan, at lowbat na ako, bago natin maintindihan yung buong process nito, doon muna tayo sa whole numbers. Example, 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Mas madali siya. Gawin nating fraction si 10 at saka si 5. 10 over 1, kasi yan yung equivalent niyan as subtraction, divided by 5 over 1. Pareho silang whole numbers. Pero ginawa lang nating fraction, that means ang denominator nila pareho ay 1. Itong dividend, kopyahin lang natin, that is 10 over 1. Itong sign ng division maging multiplication. At itong si divisor, reciprocal ng divisor is natin na 5 over 1 is 1/5. Itong numerator to numerator, pwede na natin i-multiply and that is 10. Denominator to denominator and that is 5. So the answer is 10 over 5 or 2. In-explain ko itong whole numbers kasi yan din ang mangyayari natin sa fraction. As in, ganun-ganun lang din. Ngayon, isolve natin itong number 1. Itong si dividend, kopyahin lang. Itong division na to maging multiplication. At itong si divisor ay reciprocal ng 2/5, that is 5 over 2. Numerator to numerator, that is 5. Denominator to denominator, and that is 6. So, ang answer is number 1 ay 5 over 6. Let's do another example ng whole number bago tayo mag-proceed dito sa number 2. Example, 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Gawin natin siyang fraction. 8 over 1, whole number pa rin siya. Pero nilagay lang natin ang denominator na 1. Divided by 2 over 1. So, mayroon silang mga denominators. So, that means, consider na silang dalawa na fraction. Si 8 over 1, kopyahin lang, 8 over 1. Ang division maging multiplication. Si 2 over 1 maging 1 over 2. So, itong mga numerator niya, i-multiply natin, and that is 8. Denominator, 1 times 2, that is 2. And the answer is 4. So, ganun pa rin, na reciprocal pa rin ang divisor at saka yung division naman natin ay naging multiplication. Kahit itong whole numbers na to, ito rin ang nangyayari. Bali, ito yung rason na bakit ganito ang gagawin natin, bakit ganito ang gagawin natin sa mga fraction numbers. Kasi ganun din naman ang ginawa natin sa whole numbers. Mas madali nga lang siya. Ang dividend mo, kopyahin mo lang. Si division maging multiplication at si divisor reciprocal ng divisor. Numerator to numerator, multiplication, that is 8. 9 times 1, that is 9. So, ito na yung pinakasimplest na fraction. So, and the answer is 8 over 9. Number 3, remember, pag division tayo, ang division mo, gawin mo munang multiplication. Ang dividend mo, kopyahin lang. Samantalang yung divisor mo ay reciprocal ng 3 over 5 maging 5 over 3. Ngayon pwede ka nang mag-multiply. Sa multiplication, numerator to numerator, and that is 5. Denominator to denominator, and that is 6. 5 over 6, simplest form na siya ng fraction. So, ang answer dito ay 5 over 6. Number 4. 11 over 22 divided by 11 over 22. Remember, any numbers divided by itself, the answer is 1. Pero kung i-divide talaga natin yung regarding sa rule, kopyahin lang ang dividend, ang division maging multiplication at reciprocal ng divisor. So, pag minomultiply ni mo yan, or pwede mo nang i-cancel si 22, i-cancel mo si 11, the answer is 1. Number 5. Before we will proceed, kasi whole number yan at saka fraction, balik ulit tayo sa mga whole numbers. Example, 12 divided by 3 and the answer is 4. What if 12, lagyan natin ng 1 as denominator kasi lahat ng whole numbers mayroon siyang 1 as denominator. Tapos i-divide natin sa 3 na may 1 as denominator. Ngayon, ang 12 over 1, kopyahin lang siya. Ang division maging multiplication at saka yung divisor naman ay reciprocal ng divisor, that is 1/3. 12 times 1, that is 12. 1 times 3, that is 3. So, 12 over 3 is equals to 4. So, ganun pa rin. Ibig lang sabihin nito, in-example ko yan kasi whole number to isa. 2 divided by 1/4. Kopyahin si 2. Ang division maging multiplication at si divisor maging 4 over 1. Ang whole number, lahat ng whole numbers, mayroon yang 1 as denominator. So, 2 times 4, that is 8. So, ang denominator na 1 times 1 equals 1. So, the answer is 8. So, ang answer dito ay 8. Number 6. So, 3 divided by 1/3. Ang 3 whole number yan at lahat ng whole number ay may denominator na 1. So, kopyahin lang natin sa dividend na 3 over 1. Ang division sign maging multiplication at si divisor maging 3 over 1. So, numerator to numerator, 3 times 3, that is 9. Denominator to denominator, and that is 1. So, 9 over 1 is equals to 9. So, the answer number 6, 9. Number 7. 1/3 divided by 4. Si dividend, kukopyahin natin. At saka si division maging multiplication. At reciprocal ng 4. Ang 4 mayroon niyang denominator na 1. Ang reciprocal niyan ay 1 over 4. So, i-multiply mo ang numerator to numerator, that is 1. Denominator to denominator, 3 times 4, that is 12. 1 over 12 ang sagot dito. Number 8. 2 over 5 divided by 5. Dividend, kukopyahin. Division sign maging multiplication. Si 5 na may denominator na 1 ay babalik ta rin. That is 1 over 5. Numerator to numerator, multiply mo. Denominator to denominator, that is 25. Yan na yung pinakasimplest na fraction dito, 2 over 25. So, the answer is 2 over 25.